Ever pondered how crucial authorization is in our everyday lives? From unlocking our smartphones to accessing our bank accounts, authorization is a fundamental part of our digital interaction. Today, we delve into the world of authorization and its key concepts. Authorization, in its simplest form, is the process of granting access to specific objects or services. Think of it as a digital bouncer, deciding who gets to enter the club and who does not. Authorization often uses access controls and is synonymously used with permissions. Let's start with the concept of privilege. This is the right to perform a particular action. For example, a manager in a company might have the privilege to approve an employee's leave request. Next, we have the principle of least privilege. This principle suggests that only enough privileges should be granted to complete a job function. Imagine a cashier at a store. They need access to the cash register, but not the company's financial records. The separation of duties is a business term that requires more than one person to complete a task. This is like requiring two keys to open a safe, ensuring no single person has complete control. Privilege creep is the gradual accumulation of access rights beyond what is required to complete a job function. It's like a janitor over time getting the keys to every room in the building, including the CEO's office. Grant and revoke are terms used for the authorization of users or systems for certain privileges and the removal of these privileges, respectively. It's like giving someone the key to a room and then taking it back when they no longer need it. Moving on, we have data classification, a method of authorization by analyzing and categorizing resources by type, contents, or other attributes. It's like sorting books in a library. This method is often used to assign value to assets and determine their risk. It applies to any asset, information, property, and people, and informs the mandatory access control mechanism. Common models may include public, sensitive, private, confidential, while the US government model includes confidential, secret, top secret. To summarize, understanding authorization and its key concepts is crucial in today's digital world. Whether it's privilege, least privilege, separation of duties, each plays a unique role in safeguarding our digital lives. Remember, authorization is like a digital bouncer, ensuring only the right people have the right access at the right time. Stay safe, stay authorized.